yet another reaction video. In this video we are going to be reacting to top Lesi Poddi. Poddi. You know what is Poddi in Goa? You want to go and say to a Goan baker, like, I want Poddi. Maka Poddi is I. He'll give you Poddi. I don't know what is Poddi in this language, but yeah, Poddi means bread.
Really, nigga?
No. Top Lesi Poddi. So let us go and see. One of my friends suggested me to react to this video. So let us see what is on. Probably I'm looking at the first time. Maybe I've seen it, but let's go into it. Dive into it. Love to see Tiger Shroff. He and Hrithik Roshan. Maybe Hrithik Roshan could be there, but yeah, Tiger Shroff and his face off. Oh my god, that would be power pack to watch them face off or dance together in a movie. I'll tell you, they would be a good pair. That step is so good. She's like, top. Should I remove it? No. Should I remove it? No. He's like, hello. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was top Lesi Poddi. I need new subscribers. Subscribe.
Are you comedy me?
So like the video, share the video with your friends, share the song, man. I mean, don't share the song separately, share my video which has the song in it with your friends and family. Get them reaction along with me and comment down below. Let me know if you not thumbs down, I mean comment down below. Do like my videos, and yeah, if you have do send me some suggestions of videos that I can react to, and let me know how you like this video. Bye bye.